Welcome back to the portfolio, everyone. And today we're going over Tesla. They saw a huge 8% jump in share price in one single day today. This happened because they announced that they had new deliveries in the second quarter that actually beat analyst estimates. So even during the economic shutdown, Tesla was able to deliver 90,650 vehicles, beating analyst estimates that sent the share price up a record 8% in one single day. As you can see here, the shares opened the day up 9%, and then throughout the day, they somewhat flattened out, but finished the day up 8% in one single day. And on the 5-day chart, you can see Tesla's share price has seen a huge decline of over 25%, up over $200 a share, leaving Tesla's current share price at $1,208, setting a new all-time high for the company, and this company is only growing quarter over quarter. So we're going to take a look at this article here that talks about how Tesla's shares soar after reporting big beat on second quarter deliveries. They delivered over 90,000 vehicles in the second quarter, beating those analyst estimates even though the economic shutdown was occurring. So the company was able to beat all expectations, deliver more vehicles, set a new record, and are continuing to grow each and every quarter. So before we jump in and talk about all about Tesla and all the news that came out today, I am the Gen Z investor, and every single day I come out with new videos that talk about the stock market, different stocks you can buy in the overall big market headlines like we have today. And of course, I am going to ask you to please like and subscribe, and we're going to get right into it. So as you see from this article here, the shares of Tesla shot right up to start the day as they announced that they beat analyst estimates. The average analyst estimate was around 72,000 vehicles they were expected to deliver. Some more optimistic estimates had them around 83,000, but of course they beat those estimates and averaged in around 90,000 cars delivered in the second quarter. So Tesla shares zoomed up nearly 9% to start the day, up to $1,219. And as you can see, they finished the day at $1,208 a share. So this beat on deliveries is always good news to hear. This company has continued to deliver electric vehicles in a time where the economy was slowing down, when it was known for a lot of other big manufacturing and car companies that car sales were down and people weren't out there purchasing vehicles at the moment. So the fact that Tesla beat estimates is a great sign that people are still looking and still shopping for their electric vehicles. This huge surge in share price has led Tesla to become the highest market cap car manufacturer in the world. You can see here all the big name car manufacturers. Tesla is now ranked number one with a market cap. This is old at around 190 billion. If we take a look at today's stats after this huge surge, their market cap is close to 224 billion, so even higher than this chart shows, but it ranks them as the number one car manufacturer company by market cap, followed by number 2 Toyota and number 3 Volkswagen, coming in 4 Honda. And you can see these are all international different car manufacturers, and they are the top USA and the top in the world by market cap. This is extremely great to see for those Tesla shareholders. People who've bought in at any point in the past are seeing great returns overall right now, which is great to see. So we're going to take a look at how Tesla performed not only in the short term, but a little bit in a longer term as well. You can see here on the 1-year chart, they were up close to 400% in a single year. If you purchased Tesla shares 1 year ago today, you bought in at $224 a share. And of course, your shares are up about 5-6 times that value, and now around $1,208 a share. You can see nice, beautiful upward climb. And you can see they did see that overall dip in the market like we saw in the month of March, but have fully recovered and surpassed up to new all-time highs. Current market cap around over 200 billion, like we talked about today, trading at an all-time high level, and a forward earnings per share around $4.39. And if we take a look at their financial statements, which of course Tesla is a growing company, so we have to keep that in mind when looking at these financial statements, you can see here that Tesla is doing exactly what you want to see from the company. We want to make sure this company each and every year is growing its revenue. We want to know that they're selling more and more vehicles each and every year, and the fact that we just heard that they beat on deliveries means that they are manufacturing higher volumes and delivering those cars to paying customers each and every quarter. So you can see here total revenue is doing exactly what we want to see. 5 years ago, total revenue was around $4 billion. In the trailing 12 months, total revenue is up over $26 billion. So you can see here, insane revenue growth over the past 5 years. 4 billion up to 7, up to 11, to 21 billion, to 24, and even the past 12 months when we've seen a little bit of an economic shutdown, Tesla's trailing 12 months revenue is up to over $26 billion. You can see gross profit following that same trend, growing year over year. Of course, Tesla is actually not generating any net income over the 1 year on the annual reports because they are reinvesting as much money as possible back into the business. You can see here they are posting a net loss each and every year, but is nothing too concerning right now, as that is what you are expecting to have with these types of growth companies, especially a company like Tesla, who is always doing more research and development, innovating and trying to create great operations to become the largest and the best car manufacturing company in the world moving forward. With regard to their balance sheet, I do believe Tesla actually has a strong balance sheet for the type of company it is today. You can see here total current assets for the company around close to 15 billion, around 14.9 billion currently. And if you take a look at their total current liabilities, they only have total current liabilities at around 12 billion. So they do actually have more assets on hand to cover all those liabilities, a current ratio around 1.1. Of course, it is optimal to get that current ratio up higher, but as of right now, they actually are not in a bad spot. With regard to total assets, they have around 37 billion compared to total liabilities around 26.5 billion. So once again, they have a lot of total assets on hand. They can cover all of their long-term liabilities and continue to have enough assets to operate the business moving forward, which is great to see. And of course, with Tesla, you are buying into the hype, you're buying into the future, you are buying into the innovation, and of course, you're buying into Elon Musk and his visions. And the next big product coming out, of course, is the Cybertruck. The extremely new, innovative product, all-electric truck, more performance than a sports car, it says right here. And of course, this design is eye-catching. This design catches your attention right away, and everything Tesla is going to do with this truck is breathtaking and extremely innovative, and it's never been done before. It has really never been seen before from any other car manufacturing company, which personally, that is what draws me to Tesla. I like investing in companies that, have a standard, unique, competitive advantage, and Tesla has done that. Of course, there are other car manufacturing companies that are making electric vehicles, but in my personal opinion, I don't think there's any other companies that are doing it in such an innovative way, coming out with such innovative products, such eye-catching and such spectacular products out there that are really drawing customers away from the other big boys and other, I'm going to say, traditional brands. Tesla's growing a new company, a new innovative company, and they're taking away market share from these big traditional companies. They're coming in, stealing customers away from old companies that customers usually know, trust, and believe in, and are bringing them customers onto their platform, and they're doing it all from a website. Tesla is trying to reduce all their in-person car dealerships. They want you to only order their vehicles online to reduce overhead. So you're getting customers who are traditionally used to going into a dealership, speaking with the person in like one-on-one, going for a traditional test drive, thinking about it, coming back, purchasing the vehicle from a person, signing the papers in person at a desk. Now Tesla is doing that all online. From your cell phone, you can order a Tesla. I've seen YouTube videos where people who already own a Tesla use the screen in the dashboard within the Tesla to order a second Tesla to their house. So Tesla is just doing so many good things. They're innovating so well. I'm personally a big fan of Elon Musk and everything he's doing with the company, and I believe in the company long term. If you want to just take a look here, their new innovative product, you can't really take your eyes off of it. Some people love the design, some people hate the design, which of course everyone has their own opinion. But if you take a look at it, a lot of people agree, even those who hate it, that it catches your attention. It's a conversation starter. It really does bring people towards Tesla. And really, when you see that and you think about the Cybertruck, you think innovative, you think futuristic, you think new, you think like modern, you think these crazy adjectives that everything Elon Musk is trying to do, he puts into a truck that I believe is going to actually gain significant market share, especially with the kind of performance they're expecting and they're trying to promote with this truck. If you can see here, there's a beautiful exoskeleton, extremely durable, extremely hardcore. You can see here, 30x cold roll stainless steel exterior. I love the design, I love the wheels, I love everything about it. And with armored glass windows, and I like this tailgate you can see with up to 3,500 stored pound weight and 100 cubic feet of exterior lockable storage, including the underbelt. And if we continue to look, you see a nice montage of the truck, performance and efficiency, and we're going to take a look at just some of the key facts of the Cybertruck before we move on. 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, 250 plus mile range, wheel-wheel drive, storage 100 cubic feet, the vault length, so the tailgate length at 6.5 feet, with over 7,500 pounds of towing capability. This is going to be a truck to compete with all the big boys, compete with the Ford F-150, the Ram 1500s, all those other trucks out there on the market. Cybertruck is going to be a strong competitor. So of course, is this the end for Tesla? Is this the highest the share price is going to go? No one really knows for sure, but in my personal opinion, I don't think so. I just think with Tesla continue to innovate, they're going to continue to hopefully beat on deliveries, beat on revenue expectations year over year, and the company will one day eventually become extremely profitable. I believe once they have all their factories up and running, once they're able to generate these cars at scale and deliver as many cars as necessary to consumers, I really do believe they'll continue to grow that overall market cap of the company, and of course become, even although they are the largest, continue to become a growing company moving forward. So I think Tesla is extremely interesting. They beat on estimates earnings today, and I really want to make a video and discuss that. And of course, I come up with new video every single day, so I look forward to seeing you in the next one. We're going to wrap it up today, where I say thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in tomorrow's video. Thank you.